Good morning and good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to cook stir-fry eggplant. It's very delicious. First, I boiled it with the water, and then I shred it, and then stir-fry with the garlic, onions, and tomato. It's very delicious, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave comment. Thank you so much. And it's very yummy. First thing to do, I boil the eggplant with the water until it gets soft. And I always like turning, making sure that it gets soft even. So you can see, guys, I put hole on it, so it's cook quicker. So as you can see, look, it's almost ready. So 4 pieces of eggplant. So now the eggplant is ready. So after that, guys, I wash with the cold water, so avoid to get hot or burn my hands. So now, as you can see, I shred it with the fork or my hands. It's up to me, or it's up to you, if whatever you're comfortable to shred. As you can see, I put together that I cook together with the skin, or you can put the grill if you want, but easy way for me is to boil the water, boil the eggplant, then the grill, because the grill is too hot outside or cold. So this way is too easy. So now it's easy way to put the, it's quicker to put the fork. So it's very delicious, and you just shred it, and then after that you have to, I already sliced the garlic, onions, and also tomatoes. It's still hot. The eggplant is still hot. So as you can make sure, you have to check, make sure they have no worm, because sometimes the eggplant, it's rotten, or sometimes they have worm. But I bought the eggplant is really good quality. I think it's called Japanese eggplant. So now it's ready. So now I'm going to get the 2 tablespoons, at least 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil or olive oil. So when the pot is hot and oil, then you have to stir fry the onion. I don't put a lot of onion. Maybe it's the small onions, like half only, and then like 3 pieces of cloves of garlic. I just chop it, I just mash it, and also 1/4 of slice of tomatoes, because the tomato is too big. Just 1/4. The eggplant is already cooked because I boiled it a long time until it gets soft. So when the tomato and onions and also ground garlic, it's cook, half cooked, then you have to add eggplant, shred eggplant. So you can do it that way, stir fry, or you can do it with salad, vinegar instead of oil. Either one, guys. So now, as you can see, and then I add this 1 tablespoon of beef powder or beef stock. It's like a magic syrup. Instead, you have to put MSG. So 1 tablespoon, and also soy sauce or dark sauce, like 1 tablespoon also, and black pepper. Sorry, it's very. I add also this black pepper, like 1 tablespoon of black pepper or corn pepper, either one. This is really good. I love this. This is one of my favorite. It's easy to cook and easy to make. And also, I add like 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon of white sugar. If you have no white sugar, then you can add brown sugar instead. By the way, I add a little bit soy sauce. Maybe total all is 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So now, and add a little bit of half teaspoon of beef powder. So I stir it well. And then after that, then I add 1/2 of sugar. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and to all my co-YouTubers, silent viewers, to all idol. So that is 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. Thank you so much for watching and visiting my channels. Don't forget to leave messages, likes, and if you like my video, then share and subscribe. Thank you, and God bless. And you have to try this. It's very delicious. We eat this with rice. As you can see, I cover it for at least 3 minutes or 2 minutes, and then the food is ready to serve. You know? So never give up, and subscribe. And to all my silent viewers, supporters, I really appreciate that always coming back in my channel or YouTube account. Thank you, and be safe. Even though I don't know all of you, but thank you, I really appreciate. And then now the food is ready to serve after this 1 minute. Another 1 more minute to cook, and then it's ready. It's really good, and my granddaughter love it to eat, guys. So now it's ready. Thank you so much for watching. To all the other country, God bless, and subscribe. Stir fry eggplant with tomato. So yummy. And let's eat. And guys, see, it's so yummy. See you in my next video. Thank you so much. Thank you to all support and to all silent viewers. Thank you so much.